Hello everybody. My name is Abu, and today we are going to discuss about the containerization and orchestration, how we can use this technology to improve the businesses. The company today is dealing with the problem of scaling, deployment, and maintaining applications because it's using monolithic architecture. So now the purpose is to adopt containerization and orchestration solution to improve the efficiency. The two key components that we use is Docker and Kubernetes. Let's see how the containerization and orchestration will help to overcome this problem. What is containerization? Basically, containerization is a technology that packages the applications with their dependencies so that it can be run anywhere. There is virtual machines, which is traditional form, and there is another form is containerization, which is very much useful to run the system in separate individual chunks. This why containerization is important because it's faster deployment, better portability, and improved resource usages. Now let's see the Docker. Docker, the Docker is the tool that will help to manage the containers which is created. So the developer, how it works is the developer makes the doc file to define an application's environment. The key components of the Docker is Docker engine, images, containers, and Docker hub. Benefit of Dockers: its fast deployment and development, consistency across environment, and better resource efficiency. Now, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is, once the containers are created, there are thousands, hundreds and thousands of containers maybe, so it need to be managed. Then Kubernetes is the key tool which will help to manage these containers. It will help in automate deployment and scaling managing. The core components are pods, nodes, and clusters for the Kubernetes. The architecture of Kubernetes is master node and the worker node. Master node is considered as the brain of the Kubernetes. A worker node is actually runs the application and workload. Okay, so next we move how Docker and Kubernetes work together. This provides the containers application. Docker's provides the container application. Kubernetes will manage those containers. All right, and then let's see the benefits, business benefits. It has the cost saving because optimized resource usage reduces cloud cost and fast deployment. It's very faster for the deployment and development, and it has the improved reliability because it has the self-healing technique and automates scaling features that keeps the application running. Implementation strategy: there's a step-by-step procedure. First we have to break down the monolithic application into microservices, and then to containerize the services using Dockers, then deploy them on the Kubernetes because many different containers are created which needs to be managed by, and it is done by Kubernetes, and set up monitoring and scaling. Then the challenges, of course, we have the challenges for this. It's a security risk. Need to secure each container images and manage the access control by giving password protection, username, like that stuff. It has some complexities. It's steep, learning curve. Learning is quite difficult, and best practices is use CI/DI pipelines. This will help. So in conclusion, Dockers and Kubernetes make application more scalable and reliable and efficient. The final recommendation for our company is that the company should start by containerization the critical application, and then slowly use to manage it using the Kubernetes. So that's all about today's presentation, and thank you very much. These are the references. Bye bye.